Welcome back to GardenBound. Today we're diving into the exciting world of planting papaya seeds. Did you know that papayas can start producing fruit within just 6-12 months? Imagine enjoying your own homegrown papayas in such a short time. In this video, we'll cover everything from the basics of papaya seeds to advanced growing techniques and troubleshooting common issues. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, and drop any questions or experiences in the comments below. Papayas, also known as pawpaws, are tropical fruit trees celebrated for their sweet, juicy fruits. To get started with planting papaya seeds, you'll need fresh seeds, which can be easily extracted from a ripe papaya fruit. Carefully scoop out the seeds, wash them thoroughly to remove the gelatinous coating, and let them dry for a day or two. This initial preparation is crucial for ensuring successful germination. Growing papayas from seeds offers numerous benefits. It is cost-effective as a single papaya fruit can provide dozens of seeds capable of growing into fruit-bearing trees. Additionally, growing papayas from seeds ensures your fruit is organic and free from harmful pesticides, contributing to a healthier diet and environment. From an environmental perspective, cultivating papayas enhances local biodiversity and supports pollinators like bees, which are vital for many ecosystems. Papaya trees also have a relatively fast growth cycle, with fruit production starting as early as 6-12 months after planting. They are incredibly nutritious, rich in vitamins A and C, fiber, and beneficial antioxidants like lycopene, which supports heart health and may reduce the risk of certain cancers. Furthermore, the experience of growing papayas from seeds can be highly rewarding and educational, offering valuable insights into the life cycle of plants and sustainable gardening practices. This connection to nature can promote mental well-being, reducing stress, and providing a sense of purpose and relaxation. Planting papaya seeds involves several steps, each crucial for ensuring healthy germination and growth. Start by selecting a ripe papaya, ideally one that is soft to the touch and has a vibrant yellow-orange color. Scoop out the seeds, wash them thoroughly, and let them dry for 1 to 2 days in a shaded area to prevent mold growth. Once the seeds are dry, prepare a suitable soil mix of garden soil, sand, and compost in equal parts. Fill small pots or seed trays with this soil, mix and plant the seeds about ½ inch deep. If you're in a warm climate, you can also plant the seeds directly in the ground. For optimal germination, soak the seeds in water for 24 hours before planting to soften the seed coat and speed up the sprouting process. Water the seeds gently to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Place the pots or trays in a sunny spot, as papaya seeds require plenty of light and warmth to germinate, ideally between 70 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Germination usually occurs within 2 to 3 weeks. After the seedlings emerge, continue to water them regularly, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist. When the seedlings are about 6-8 inches tall and have developed several leaves, they can be transplanted to larger pots or directly into the garden. Choose a location with full sun and space the plants about 7-10 feet apart to allow for their expansive growth. Papayas have a shallow root system, so be careful not to damage the roots during transplanting. Provide support if needed, especially in windy areas to prevent them from toppling over. Mulching around the base of the plants can help retain soil moisture and regulate temperature. Fertilize the plants every 2 months with a balanced fertilizer to promote healthy growth and fruit production. Regularly check for pests and diseases, such as aphids, whiteflies, and powdery mildew, and treat them promptly with organic pesticides or neem oil. For those looking to delve deeper into papaya cultivation, understanding advanced aspects can significantly enhance your success rate and yield. Papayas are dioecious, meaning that individual plants are either male, female, or hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite plants are the most desirable for fruit production as they possess both male and female flowers, allowing them to self-pollinate. Identifying and retaining hermaphrodite plants during the thinning process can maximize your fruit yield. This can be done once the plants flower, usually within 3-4 months, by observing the flower structures. Hermaphrodites have both stamens and pistils, while male flowers are typically longer and cluster more densely. Optimal growing conditions are crucial for papayas. They thrive in tropical and subtropical climates with temperatures ranging from 70 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperatures below 60 degrees Fahrenheit can slow growth and impact fruit quality. Papayas also prefer full sun, requiring at least 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Ensure the planting site is well drained, as papayas are susceptible to root rot. In regions with heavy rainfall, consider planting on mounds or raised beds to improve drainage. Papayas have high nutrient demands, particularly for nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium. Regular fertilization is essential. A balanced fertilizer with a ratio of 14-14-14 or a higher potassium formula, such as the 14th of August 28, applied every 2 months can support vigorous growth and fruiting. Additionally, incorporating organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure can enhance soil fertility and structure. Watering practices are another critical aspect. While papayas need consistent moisture, overwatering can be detrimental. Drip irrigation systems are ideal as they provide steady moisture without waterlogging the soil. Mulching around the base of the plants helps retain soil moisture and suppress weeds, contributing to healthier growth. Regular monitoring for pests and diseases is vital. Common issues include papaya ring spot virus, aphids, and whiteflies. Employing integrated pest management (IPM) strategies, such as introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs, and using neem oil or insecticidal soaps can help manage these problems organically. Pruning is another advanced technique that can benefit papaya plants. Removing dead or diseased leaves and thinning the canopy can improve air circulation, reducing the risk of fungal infections. Additionally, selective pruning can encourage the growth of lateral branches, potentially increasing fruit production. Lastly, understanding the harvesting and post-harvest handling of papayas is essential. Papayas are typically ready for harvest 9 months after planting. The fruit should be picked when it begins to change color from the green to yellow. Proper handling and storage are crucial to prevent bruising and prolong shelf life. Papayas can be stored at room temperature to ripen or refrigerated to slow the ripening process once they reach the desired ripeness. Growing papayas can present several common challenges, but understanding these issues and knowing how to address them can ensure a successful harvest. One of the most frequent problems is poor germination rates, often attributed to the age and quality of the seeds. To enhance germination, use fresh seeds from a fully ripe papaya and consider pre-soaking them in water for 24 hours to soften the seed coat. Pest infestations, such as aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites, can significantly affect papaya plants. These pests can be managed using organic solutions like neem oil, insecticidal soaps, or introducing beneficial insects such as ladybugs and lacewings. Regular monitoring and early intervention are crucial to prevent severe infestations. Papaya trees are also prone to diseases like papaya ring spot virus, PRSV, powdery mildew, and root rot. PRSV is a particularly challenging issue, characterized by yellowing leaves and ring-shaped spots on the fruit. Prevention is key, using virus-free seeds, practicing crop rotation, and removing infected plants. Powdery mildew can be controlled by improving air circulation, avoiding overhead watering, and applying fungicidal sprays if necessary. Root rot, often caused by waterlogged soil, can be prevented by ensuring proper drainage and avoiding overwatering. Nutrient deficiencies are another common problem that can lead to poor growth and fruiting. Symptoms include yellowing leaves, nitrogen deficiency, poor fruit development, potassium deficiency, and intervenal chlorosis, magnesium deficiency. Regular fertilization with a balanced fertilizer, supplemented with specific nutrients as needed, can help address these deficiencies. Environmental stressors, such as extreme temperatures, can also affect papaya growth. Prolonged exposure to temperatures below 60 degrees Fahrenheit can stunt growth and damage the plants. Using row covers or moving potted plants indoors during cold spells can protect them. Similarly, during extreme heat, providing shade cloth or mulching can help regulate soil temperature and retain moisture. Another issue is fruit drop, where immature fruits fall off the tree. This can be caused by environmental stress, nutrient deficiencies, or pest damage. Ensuring consistent watering, balanced fertilization, and pest management can reduce fruit drop. Additionally, thinning fruits can help the plant focus its energy on developing fewer but healthier fruits. Incorrect watering practices can lead to issues including leaf drop, poor fruit set, and root diseases. Papayas need consistent moisture, but the soil should never be waterlogged. implementing a drip irrigation system can provide the steady moisture papayas need without the risk of waterlogging. Mulching around the base of the plants can also help retain moisture and prevent weed growth. By recognizing these common issues and implementing practical solutions, you can effectively manage and prevent problems, ensuring your papaya plants remain healthy and productive. Regular observation and timely intervention are key to overcoming these challenges and enjoying a bountiful papaya harvest. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GardenBound for more gardening tips and insights. Don't forget to share your experiences and tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear how your papaya growing journey is going and any unique methods you use. Until next time, happy gardening.